What's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube?
Got my helpers in the shop today. We're going to be tearing down this 302 Ford small block. Picked it up for $100 off the marketplace. I just had to snag it up. I mean, $100 is worth that in scrap. But we're probably going to build this as a backup engine for our Burnout truck, the Bullnose 86. If you haven't seen that truck, look through the uploads and you'll see the build series on that truck. Check it out. Subscribe to the channel if you like old Bullnose Fords, OBS Fords. We just picked up this OBS Chevy. It's a 96 GMC Sierra. We got builds on this Harley right here, plus a bunch of other content. So if you're new to the channel, check it out. Browse around, see what you like. Subscribe, drop us a comment, a couple likes if you don't mind. We're growing, we're getting bigger. So appreciate everybody that has subscribed to the channel and for always tuning back in and leaving us positive comments and all that stuff. It really makes our day to sit around as a family and hear the positivity y'all leave on the channel. So it's pretty cool. But it's been a while since I did a video with the kids, so they wanted to get out here and make some memories in the shop. So we're gonna dig into this old girl and strip her down. Yeah. Plans for it are to be a backup motor for the 86. Probably gonna do a little bit bigger build on this one, probably a cam, maybe some GT40 heads, or if we can find a good deal on some aluminum heads to bump the horsepower up on it. We're gonna go through eventually and replace all the seals and gaskets and just freshen up this motor. And if we blow the motor that's in the 86, or I just got some extra time and can finally just swap them, the motor in the 86 now, it's got a bunch of leaks, rear main seal, timing chain cover. So it likes to leave a lot of stains on the driveway, which the wife really appreciates. So eventually it needs a new motor and to be freshened up, but gonna try to run it for as long as I can because it is a good running motor. I got it tuned real good. So we're gonna try to get as much out of it as we can before we go switching, possibly messing up that good tune I got on there. So it's really dialed in. But anyways, we're probably gonna do a little time lapse of us tearing down this motor and do some close-up shots if we find anything cool or interesting. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video and we're gonna jump into it.
Yep.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's get her done.
Okay.
You're gonna take these, this is the exhaust manifold, or some people call it a header, but it's a stock exhaust manifold. You gotta take all of these out. Yep, all of these bolts right here.
This one's...
No, that's the spark plug. So we'll leave this one in. Alright, got one. We'll leave one, the very end one, and this one. We'll take the middle ones out, and then we can grab the last one so it don't fall on the code. Make sure it's on there all the way. Yep. Make sure it's on the nut. Now, get close. Don't be afraid of it, they ain't gonna bite you. These bolts are holding it in. Alright. Before you pull the trigger, make sure you're on that bolt real good, nice and flat.
Okay.
Alright, take that one.
This one?
Yeah. But see how it's at an angle? You need to make the drill at an angle. Alright, do this one down here. Make sure you're on the bolt. Pay attention. Don't stretch it. Slow down. You're going to crush our toes. We got to take our time. Alright, pick that jack. You got your toolbox?
Here, let me get mine. Where are you can do the next one.
Right, you're gonna take this one off over here.
Yay. Over there.
This one over here. This exhaust header right here. Alright, we're gonna leave these ones in the end. Take the middle ones out first, that way it don't just fall off and smash our heads. So take these middle ones out first. All of
You
these.
can do this. No, you can.
Leave the ones on the end. We'll take those out last so it don't fall and smash our heads.
Yeah, because we don't want that.
Make sure you're on there. There you go. Nice trigger control. Make sure you're on there all the way. There, push on it a little bit. Go a little rusty. Alright, now pull it through. There you go. This one.
Don't worry, because those bolts are holding it.
This one. There you go. Nice. Alright, hold on.
Ooh, I'm scared. You just have to do this so it doesn't get on your face. You just have to do that. What about that space?
Alright, I'm gonna hold it. Take this one out up here.
Okay, so are you gonna hold it really tight?
Yeah. Make sure you're on the bolt, see, look. There you go.
Hold it really tight. Okay.
Alright. James, take that bolt.
Huh?
Take that bolt. Alright, now this one.
Where? It's okay.
There you go.
Yes.
Oh, look, that gasket was really bad.
Yeah, that was.
All cracked up.
Yeah. That was me. Look at that gasket. No, this is the gasket. That gasket is real.
Good thing we're taking it apart.
Yeah.
Alright. We got the front of the motor disassembled. So now y'all are gonna disassemble this intake. We're gonna get this popped off, and this will let us look in the motor and see what she's really like, see if she's been used or abused. We've already taken the valve covers off. It looked pretty good under there. And it looks like somebody already put a new brass freeze plug in the front of that cylinder head and this cylinder head back here. So this girl might have been rebuilt at some point. Maybe she's got some hot parts in her. Alright, Brian, I'll start with your side. I'll get this one because it's a little tricky. Alright, you can do this one right here. Here, come closer.
You won't get hurt.
You pull the trigger. Alright. This one. There we go. This one. Alright. There we go. Alright.
What is it?
Uh-oh. Looks like that one broke off in the motor. It was pretty rusty. So, looks like we got a little extra work, but it's usually expected on intake manifold bolts, especially the ones near the
That's right.
water jackets. Good news is it's on the back, so it's easy to get to. Alright, Jace, it's gonna be your turn. Yeah, these ones back here are rusty. Good news is she didn't break off. Alright. Let's see.
Oh, those ones were
Good. Alright, here we go. Alright. Alright.
got it good.
You know what this is called?
No.
The distributor. That's what sends power to all the spark plugs. As this
Are
spins,
these the spark?
yeah, those are spark plugs. As that spins, there's a cap on here with all the spark plug wires. And when that touches the spark plug wire, it sends electricity through there and electricity to the spark plug.
Wow.
And then it makes fire in the cylinder head. These are your cylinder heads.
Fire.
It explodes the gasoline.
This is gonna be so cool. You might want to stay in text, it might be.
Alright, somebody hold that nice greasy thing.
I'm Mr. Greasy. I do it all the time. Let me see. Is it gonna, do the thing?
She's stuck in there.
She's stuck in there?
Yeah, she's like okay. There we go. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. She still looks good.
Has a little wear on the teeth.
Watch out.
There we go.
Oh, let's see the inside of this motor. Yeah. Here, get the crew to lift that up.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah. She looks very oily. Oh! We got it. Oh, that's very oily. Look at that. I wasn't expecting oily. I mean, look at that oil, Dad. You smell it.
Smells good.
Smells like gasoline.
Well, someone's been in here 30 recently because these are new intake manifold gaskets. It's got new gaskets and sealant on the china wall. So I think somebody at some point has rebuilt this motor.
But there is someone
Yeah, that's the water jacket pockets. That's where I'm telling you this water flows. We definitely got some leaves and debris in these intake ports, so
What is that?
somebody didn't plug this thing up good when they had it sitting.
Dad,
We'll probably have to borescope these cylinders and make sure there's not a bunch of trash in there, or probably just go ahead and junk these heads anyways and put some GT40s on there. No use in building a motor with stock heads, but anyways, I'll let you guys see the inside of the motor.
I have a question, Dad.
What's up?
What is that stuff?
What stuff?
That stuff.
The blue or this?
No, this. He's talking about this.
That's some coolant.
What is coolant?
That's the water that makes the engine stay cold. But,
That's probably why it's called coolant.
yep, coolant.
Cool.
Because it cools it off.
Cools it off. When are we gonna take the oil off?
We'll leave the oil in there for now until we are ready to actually build it. But it's a good thing we opened it up so we could see that
Yeah, because
there are leaves and stuff in the intake ports. So it's a good thing we didn't run it with any trash in there.
this family does it all.
Yeah. Here, let's pop these valve covers and
I got it.
here, hold this. There you go. Here, we'll just take this one off right here. All right, hold that bolt. So,
Oh!
she's a little grimy, but
Come here, bro. Look at that. Springs.
springs, yeah.
Oh.
Those are called valve springs.
Touch 'em. They're greasy. Look,
Yep.
greasy. Greasy, greasy.
There's a, I'm not sure which one it is, but there's an intake and an exhaust valve.
What's a valve?
So the intake valve brings air into the motor,
It does?
and then it also brings gas into the motor. And then the spark plug lights the gas and makes an explosion. And the explosion pushes the piston down and makes horsepower and torque. And then it shoots it out.
So this is a horsepower engine?
Yeah, every motor makes horsepower. But then after the fire goes off, it shoots the exhaust valve opens and it shoots all the pressure and burnt, fumes out, and it shoots it out of the headers or the intake manifolds, exhaust manifolds that we took off, and then it goes out the exhaust and makes loud noises.
Wow. Cool. Yo, now all the smart stuff.
You'll know it one day too.
Yeah.
The more you, huh?
There's metal in this.
There's metal.
Yeah, see? Piece of metal.
Yeah, that's a carbon.
What is carbon?
Kind of like coal.
Coal?
She definitely needs a freshen up. But anyways, I guess maybe we should take this water pump off too. Y'all want to take the water pump off? Well, as you guys seen in that little quick time lapse, we got the water pump off.
Yeah.
And the good news is no broken bolts. So normally around the water pump, those bolts are a little notorious for snapping off because they are next to coolant and water and moisture. You got some on your finger there?
Mm-hmm.
But we didn't break any off, so that's good news. Only one broken bolt back there on the intake manifold. So we'll get that fixed, but I think this is as far as we're gonna tear this motor down today. I just wanted to get it open and see what she really looked like inside. I don't think we'll have to send her to the machine shop. I think we'll be able to just clean her up.
Fix her ourselves.
Fix her ourselves. Do a little low budget build on her. Throw a camshaft in her. Maybe some heads. Better intake manifold. And a big old 4-barrel carburetor to make all the horsepower.
No.
All the horsepower. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching these two kiddos tear this thing down and learn a little something along the way, hopefully. Trying to plant that gearhead seed in them and teach Briar here that girls can work on stuff too. Because working on motors is cool. Yeah. You like it, admit it. You like getting grease everywhere. But
Yeah, you love getting grease.
anyways, guys, thanks for checking out this video. Again, go check out our others. I'm gonna be doing some more uploads on this OBS Chevy. We'll be building the Harley along the way and the old bullnose, and me and Briar even got a video of us working on the old Subaru doing the oil change. But we got all kinds of stuff. Y'all subscribe, drop us a comment, leave the kids some positive comments below, get them excited. Maybe they'll come out here and make some more videos with us. But anyways, thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you on the next one.
Peace.
Peace.